Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're looking at the Brightlines Aero Crossbars roof racks, the best roof rack crossbars for your Subaru Crosstrek. If you're an adventurer or just need extra storage space for your travels, these crossbars are the perfect solution. They're designed for Subaru Crosstrek models from 2018 to 2023 and the Impreza from 2017 to 2023. Whether you're carrying camping gear, bikes, kayaks, or luggage, these crossbars have got you covered. Installing them is a breeze. You won't need any special tools or professional help. These crossbars can be installed or removed in minutes, so you'll have more time for your adventure. The set includes 2 crossbars, 4 mounting brackets, all the necessary hardware, and an easy-to-follow manual. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or just looking to haul a bit more gear, these crossbars make it simple and convenient. Now, let's talk about the design. The Brightlines crossbars are aerodynamic, which means they reduce wind noise while you drive. This makes them a lot more comfortable for long road trips. Plus, they have a load capacity of 150 pounds, so you can carry a variety of items without worrying about overloading them. One of the standout features is their versatility. Whether you're taking your kayak out for a weekend paddle, loading up bikes for a trip to the mountains, or bringing all your gear for a family camping trip, these crossbars can handle it all. And don't worry about them not fitting your Subaru. These are made specifically for models with raised side rails, ensuring a perfect fit. If you're wondering about the material, these crossbars are made from lightweight yet durable aluminum, providing strength without adding unnecessary weight. Their sleek black finish not only complements your Subaru's appearance but also ensures long-lasting durability. Plus, they're not foldable, which means they stay securely in place and are built to last. Whether you're going on a weekend adventure or a cross-country road trip, the Brightlines Aero Crossbars roof racks are here to help you bring everything you need along for the ride. If you own a Subaru Crosstrek or Impreza, this is the roof rack you've been looking for. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest product reviews.